In the meantime, the opposition says it notes the inconsistencies in the statements given by the Minister of National Security, Dr. Horace Chang, when asked who initiated the talks with the United States government for the third country national arrangement. Dr. Chang, during post-cabinet press briefing Wednesday morning, told the country that it was the United States that approached the Jamaican government. He did so again in Parliament a few hours later. But according to a Gleaner article published on Thursday, former ambassador to the United States and Government Minister Audrey Marks reportedly made the proposal via a diplomatic note.
The two positions can't both be true. And I think there is a basis for this matter to be referred to the Privileges Committee of Parliament so that the question of whether the Minister of National Security lied to Parliament yesterday can be looked into and investigated and dealt with appropriately. And I'm calling for that to be done, because we cannot have a situation where ministers of government in Parliament on their feet answering questions about matters of state are not being scrupulously truthful to the public in Parliament.